Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on how to find square roots of the given number by using Prime Factorization method. So the question given is, find the square roots of the following numbers by Prime Factorization method. Okay, so before solving the question, we'll see what are the steps to be followed to find the square root of a number by using Prime Factorization method. So solution. For finding square roots of a perfect square number through Prime Factorization method, we have to follow the following steps. So the first step is find the prime factors of the given number. And second step is arrange the factor in pairs such that the two primes in each pair are equal. Then third step, take one number from each pair and multiply all such numbers. And the last step is the product obtained in the step 3 is the required square root of the given number. Now let's go for our first question. So the given number is 729. So now let's find the prime factor of the given number 729. So since it's an odd number, we are not able to divide it by 2. So we are dividing it by 3. So if it's divided by 3, you will get 243. Further divide by 3, you will get 81. Further divide by 3, you will get 27. Further dividing by 3, we will get 9. Further dividing by 3, we will get 3. Then further dividing by 3, we will get 1. So this is the prime factorization of 729. Now we'll write the prime factors of 729. So I'm writing 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So I have written here. So now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 3's. So now square root of 729 is 3 into 3 into 3. So we have to write only 1 3 from each pair. So we have 3 pairs. So I am writing only 3 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. So which is 3 3's are 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So square root of 729 is 27. Our next number is 400. So now we'll do the prime factorization for the number 400. So since it's an even number, we can start dividing it by 2. So it's divided by 2, you'll get 200. Further divide by 2, you'll get 100. Further divide by 2, you'll get 50. Further divide by 2, you'll get 25. So 25, you know that it cannot be divided by 3, 2 or 4. So we are dividing it by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 again I am dividing it by 5 to get 1. Okay, so this is the prime factors of 400. Now I am writing the prime factors of 400 in pairs. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 5 into 5. So I have formed a pair. So as we know that we want to take the square root of 400. So to find square root of 400, we have to write the number in only ones from each pair. So 2, 2, 5. So 2 into 2 into 5. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 into 5 is 20. So square root of 400 is 20. The next question given is 1764. So now we'll do prime factorization for 1764. So we have to always start with the minimum natural number. Since it's an even number, we are starting with 2. So if you divide by 2, you will get 882, which is also again even number. So we are dividing it by 2. So you are getting 441. So it's an odd number. So we cannot go with 2. So we are going with 3. So if 441 divided by 3, you will get 147, which is further divided by 3, you will get 49. So 49, you know that it can be divided only by 7. So 7, you will get 7 again. Again we are going with 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now we are writing the prime factors for 1764. That is, we are making it in pairs 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. So now to find square root of 1764, we have to write the pair once. So that is 2 into 3 into 7. So 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, 6 into 7 is 42. So thus the square root of 1764 is 42. The next number given is 4096. Now I am going to do prime factorization for 4096. So it's an even number. So we are dividing it by 2. So you get 2048. Further divide by 2, 1024. Further divide by 2, 512. Further divide by 2, 256. Further divide by 2, 128. Again by 2, 64. Again by 2, 32. Again by 2, 16. Again by 2, 8. Again by 2, 4. again divide by 2, you'll get 2, again 2 divide by 2, you'll get 1. So now I'm going to write all the prime factors of this 4096. Let's count how many 2's are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have taken 12 2's. Okay, so that's prime factor of 4096. Now you want to find the square root of 4096. As we know that you have to write the pair only once. So since here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs, I am writing 6 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64. So the square root of 4096 is 64. The next number given is 7744. So since it's an even number, we are going to find prime factor starting from 2. Okay, so if you divide by 2, you will get 3872. 3872 divided by 2, you will get 1936. So which is divided by 2, you will get 968. It's an even number, so can again divide by 2, you will get 484. Which is again divided by 2, you will get 242. Which is again divided by 2, you will get 121. So now if you know 121, you cannot divide it by any numbers till 10. So we know that 11 into 11 is 121. So I am dividing it by 11. So you will get 11 as the answer. So further I am dividing by 11. So I will get 1 as the answer. Now I am going to write this prime factors for 7744. So 7744, so I'll count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 and then 2 times 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 and 2 times 11. So next step is square root of 7744. So you have to pair it and you have to write it only once. So here we have 6 2, so I am writing it only 3 times. So 1, 2, 3 and 11 I am going to write it 1 times. So if you multiply all these things, 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 11 is 88. So the square root of 7744 is 88. The next number given is 9604. So which is divided by 2 successively, then you will get 4802. Again which divide by 2, you will get 2401. So now you cannot divide this by 2, 3, 4 or 5. So it's go only by 7. So you'll get 343. So if it's further divided by 7, you will get 49. If it's further divided by 7, you will get 7. So it's again divided by 7, we will get 1. So the 9604, the prime factors are 2 into 2, 7 into 7 into 7. So taking square root, I am writing the pair only once. So 2 into 7 into 7. So if you multiply, you will get 98. So thus the square of root of 9604 is 98. The next question given is 5929. So first step I am dividing it by 7. So you will get 847. It's further divided by 7. I will get 121. As we know, 11 times 11 is 121. So 11 divided by 11. So again 11 divided by, you will get 1. So I am writing the prime factor for 5929. So I am writing 7 into 7 into 11 into 11. So 7 you have 1 pair, 11 you have 1 pair. So I am writing for the square root of 5929 as 7 into 11, which is nothing but 77. So the square root of 5929 is 77. The next number given is 9216. So first I am going to find the prime factor for 9216. So I am dividing it by 2 and 3. So I am writing the prime factor. So 2 into 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 3 into 3. So I am writing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times 2. So for the square root of 9216, I am writing it 5 2's. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3 you have 1 pair. So I am writing it once. So thus the square root of 9216 is 96. Then the next number given is 529. So to find the prime factors of 529, so you have to successively start from 2. Because it's an odd number, you cannot divide by 2. You have to check with 3, 4 like that. So it will be divided only by the number 23. So 23 into 23 is 529. So 23 again I am dividing by 23. So I will get 1. So the prime factor of 529 is 23 into 23. So to find the square root of 529, so for a paired number I have to write it only once. So it is 23. So the square root of 529 is 23. The next number given is 8100. So to find the prime factors, I'll got the list 2 into 2. That is 2 is paired once and then 3 is paired 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. So paired will be twice and then 5 will be having 1 pair. So to find the square root of 8100, I am writing 2 one time. 3 because I have 4 3s, that is 2 pairs, so I am writing it 2 times. And then 5 I have 1 pair, so I am writing it once. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So the square root of 8100 is 90. Hope you have understood how to find the square root of the given number by using a prime factorization method. So if it's a perfect square number, then the prime factorization method is easy for finding the square roots. Hope you have understood all the examples well. Thank you for watching the video.